Hi friends, welcome to my channel All Exams Info. In this video, I will explain the complete procedure for CMC Vellore MBBS admission process. Here you can see 9 important steps for CMC Vellore MBBS admission. Step 1 is first you have to fill the online application and submit your online application and pay the registration fee. For this already I have done one video. If you have any doubts, please watch that video to get more information about how to fill the online application form and how to pay the registration fee using different payment methods. Once your online application is submitted, then you have to send your required documents if applicable to CMC Registrar Office. It is not mandatory for all the students to send documents. Only who are applying under the category of undergraduate recommendation quota, those students only you have to send the required documents to CMC Registrar Office. Step 3. Get sponsoring certificates from minority network organizations. Here the students who are sponsoring by their minority network organizations, those students only you have to get the sponsoring certificates from diocese of your churches. Next, step 4. After NEET results announced, then you have to enter your NEET score in CMC website. Next, step 5. Register for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. So to get the seat in CMC, you have to appear for counselling through Tamil Nadu Management Quota only. So that after you get the notification from Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling website, there you have to register under the category of self-financing. Next, step 6. Enter TN application number in CMC website. After you register for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling, you will get the TN application number. That application number you have to enter in CMC website. Next, step 7. Online counselling process. Counselling process means web options plus choice filling. So you have to put the web options and choice filling only through Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. Next, step 8. Seat allotment. After you completed the web options and choice filling, then based on the merit list only, you will get the seat allotment for MBBS course. After you get the seat allotment, then you have to report at CMC Vellore with all original documents. This is the final step, 9th step. With this only our admission process will be finished. Now I will explain these 9 steps in detail, step by step. Now we should start with step 1, online application filling and payment. This is the official website link. With this link, you should enter into CMC Vellore official website. Once you enter into CMC Vellore official website, you should click on Group A undergraduate degree courses. In this, you can see 3 courses we have: MBBS, B.SC Nursing in Vellore campus, and B.SC Nursing Chittoor campus, and B.SC Allied Health Sciences. For all these courses only, you need to fill only single application form. So to fill the application form, in the front page itself, you can see candidate registration. You should click on this one. This page will open. You should click on apply online. Then the application form will be opened. You should fill the complete online application form. After that, you should pay the registration fee amount in different ways using either ICICI Chalana or credit debit cards or net banking. Okay, then you should click on proceed payment. After payment success only, your application will be accepted. Once you paid the amount, you will receive the temporary application ID for your registered mobile number or registered email ID. Here you can see there is a note. With this same application, you can apply for maximum 7 courses. Second point is send the original chalana. Suppose if you prefer ICICI chalana to pay the registration fee, then you have to enter the chalana details in application form, and also you have to send the original copy of ICICI chalana to registrar office on or before 25th March 2024. Okay. Now we should enter into step 2. Send required documents to CMC registrar office. Here the students, those who are applying for CMC Vellore under the minority network category or undergraduate college recommendation, those students only has to submit your required documents, nothing but annexures to CMC Registrar Office on or before 25th March 2024. Here you can see annexure 4 in 3 pages. These 3 pages will be available in information bulletin of CMC Vellore notification. First, you should take the printout from that information bulletin. After that, you should fill all the details and should be signed by the respective people. Then you should submit these 3 pages to the CMC Registrar Office only by speed post. First one is application for recommendation under the category of undergraduate college recommendation for Christians to minority network category. This is the application to get the recommendation from CMC Vellore for the students, those who are applying under undergraduate college recommendation and minority network category. And the second one is a certificate from the past of the candidate's church that the candidate has been a member of the church for a duration of not less than 10 years. In this Annexure 4 second page, you have to get the signature from your pastor, and he has to mention that the student is attending for the church since 10 years. That is not less than 10 years. Next, third page belongs to baptism or confirmation certificate. This certificate also should be taken from your pastors only. After you get the signatures, you need to send the original documents in speed post to CMC Registrar Office on or before 25th March 2024. Next, we should move to step 3. Get sponsoring certificates from minority network organizations. That is the students, those who are getting the sponsorship from minority network organizations. You have to get the sponsoring certificates on or before 11th April 2024. So the students, those who are getting the sponsorship from minority network organizations, need to get sponsoring certificates on or before 11th April 2024. In this certificate, there is an agreement between the candidate and the minority network organization to serve in minority network organization hospitals after completion of MBBS course for 2 years. Okay. Step 4, enter NEET score in CMC website. Once you get the NEET result, you have to enter your NEET roll number and NEET score in CMC website. Now it is disabled. Once you get the NEET result, then it will be enabled. Then you should click on enter your NEET roll number and NEET score. Next, step 5, register for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. To get the MBBS seat in CMC Vellore, you have to participate in Tamil Nadu Counselling only. In Tamil Nadu Counselling, you have to register for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. Here you can see this is the official website front page of Tamil Nadu Medical Counselling. Here you can see courses. When you click on these courses, you can see different courses options we have. Next, you should click on UG courses. Then you should enter into MBBS counselling process in both the government quota and management quota. There you have to select the management quota only. So to register for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling, first you have to get the eligibility certificate from the MGR University, Tamil Nadu. If the student is a non-Tamil Nadu student. To get the eligibility certificate, first you have to get the migration certificate from your respective states of intermediate board. These are the links to get the migration certificates from AP and Telangana state. When you apply for migration certificate, after 1 week or 10 days only, you will get the migration certificate in online. Once you receive the migration certificate in online, then you should apply for eligibility certificate from Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. After you get the eligibility certificate, then only you can complete the application submission process for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. Here you can see the official website link for Dr. MGR Medical University to get the eligibility certificate. And also you can see here the eligibility certificate application form. During the application filling, you need to upload the migration certificate. After you receive the eligibility certificate only, then you should complete your application process in Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling. And also you can see here the official website links to get the migration certificate from AP state and Telangana state. This is the official website of Telangana state. To get the migration certificate in the same way, you can see the AP state official web page also. Here you should click on student online services. There you can see migration certificate. Okay. Then you should enter your intermediate hall ticket number only. Okay. That means the student only has to take the migration certificate after the intermediate completed. Step 6. Enter TN application number in CMC website. Once you submit your application for Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counselling, you will get the TN application number That application number you have to enter in CMC website. Next, step 7, you should enter into online counseling process. In this online counseling process, you need to put your web options and choice filling. You have 4 rounds totally: round 1, round 2, mop-up round, and stray vacancy round. Next, step 8, seat allotment. Based on the NEET score merit list only, the seat will be allotted to the student. After you get the seat allotment, you should download it from official website. After you download the allotment order, you need to report at CMC with all original documents. These are the list of original documents you need to submit at CMC Vellore. You can see here allotment order, marks list of qualifying examination, that is intermediate marks list, pass certificate of the qualifying examination, these two are same. Next, NEET UG 2024 result sheet, that is a NEET scorecard. Next, course certificate from the principal of college. These are study certificates from 6th to 12th standard. Next, conduct and character certificate from the principals. Next, eligibility certificate, date of birth certificate. You can submit a date of birth certificate or 10th marks list. Okay, whatever you have. Next, community certificate. This is the caste certificate. Next, TC, migration certificate. Next, baptism certificate, and 4 recent passport sized color photographs. With all these certificates, you need to report at CMC Registrar Office. Okay, I hope you got the complete idea about CMC Vellore MBBS admission process. If you are watching my video first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, All Exams Info. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box. Definitely, I will help you. Thank you.